either when we're in the workshop doing hand skills or when we're in the hangar doing some repair or inspecting the repairs. Those are a key highlight.
We're doing quite a wide variety, so there's a lot of fixing problems and like fixing patches like you would on an aircraft, but then we've also done little bits of working on aircraft, which I've enjoyed.
I think what we offer here at Exeter College is a clear progression for learners who join us age 16 at level 3 doing an Aero BTEC and are then able to stay with us right through to the Kingston Foundation degree course and the licensed course, which is on parallel, and they're able then to see a clear line of sight to industry.
We've learnt about the fundamentals in BTEC and they have helped me so much. It blends in hand with the course.
What's attractive about this course is, for most courses, you have to study for 5 years and then you have to get work experience, and it's quite a long time. While this course you can get a foundation degree, but then you can also get your CAA license alongside, so it allows you just to fast track it a little bit.
They are really supportive. Like, if you say that you were just sitting in a lesson just learning about the theory, it gets boring to a point because it's just constantly just theory learning. But once you see it in the hangars and workshops when we're doing it, it's different. Like, you understand it much more, and I think it sticks with you that way.
Engineering is not always widely understood, so aircraft maintenance engineering often is not understood as what a great opportunity it is a fantastic career and an opportunity to travel and all of those things. And we see our learners come through and make that progression, which is really satisfying. And with these facilities, we can, we feel we can really equip the next generation.